माइक मिलेगा मैम? मैम आपके वॉलेट में जो कुछ है कोई चीज है क्रेडिट कार्ड है whatever. First one by one out. Now this is what it is. Now Mannat will tell you that what is this.
Card, Visa card. Number is 44300 42430 1535. HDFC Bank. $500 4PC 649 J121.
आपने प्रिंसिपल मैम को जाके हेलो करके जाओ। Is it fine, sir? किसी को इस ब्लाइंड फोल्ड को टेस्ट करना है, बीज को डालने से कुछ दिक्कत नहीं। Anyone would like to test it? मदद करो। आपने टेस्ट कर दिया। Can you see anything? कुछ दिख रहा?
It is just a light. I am not able to read it. State Bank of
It's just impossible.
It is not impossible, but when your kids will undergo the training, they are IBDMs only. So they are just very normal kids, and you can see that with this training, their memory has been enhanced, their IQ, EQ level has been enhanced, and their focus, concentration power has been enhanced.
I have a question.
Yes.
So my son also joined the same thing few months back.
Yeah.
He said once the brain is active, it doesn't go back.
Yes.
First day after his first two classes, blindfolded, he told me the cards shape, cards number, unknown cards number. Then again, the second week, he again told me. After that, he lost interest and then he could not recognize it. So what does this mean that once they say that brain is activated, it will go back. So how
I'll just try to answer this. Once you acquire a special skill, it has to be practiced. It needs practice. So when you are out of practice, let's take an example. I am very good in mathematics, but I stopped doing practice. So one day I'll be facing challenges in recalling the formula. So the kids are in front of you. मुझे लगता है कि मन्नत आपको लास्ट प्रैक्टिस की कब की बात है? लास्ट वो जो मैम ने बोला था वो किया था उससे पहले कब किया था?
He continued his practice for 1 month, and after that he said, "No, I'm not able to." That is why I just took him out of this practice.
It is, yesterday when I was discussing with Principal Ma'am, so I said that we can, make kids responsible, but definitely to do those things on a regular basis, we need parent support. When we do the training, we do not lose our touch with the kids till 2 months. We always call twice in a week or thrice in a week. We need to call to the parents. We need to call kids. Are you practicing at home or not? So that is the bonding which needs to be created with the kids. So these are the kids. We have trained approximately 80 students in Gurgaon.
I'll help you with answer further. See, this program, which I got it done for her, basically I never wanted her to make a magician, right? So she can be blindfolded and then she can it is just an outcome of an activity which is activating her brain. So as a mother, so what we used to do, I want to answer you. We used to have some fun with her initially. We took out the wedding albums and we put it inside our quilt and we created that interest in her. Okay, can we recognize who's dad, who's mom? And she could. So, as a parent, we will always be responsible for whatever we are trying to do with our kids. If they are in school, we cannot make school totally responsible, even if it is a kind of day boarding school. I realize that our role is never ending. And we always have to create that interest in the child's mind. That is why this Mother's Day is celebrated with so much of zeal and enthusiasm, because we have so much of responsibility on our shoulders. So whenever we are doing this program for 2 days, I would recommend you personally is that to create these fun activities. Okay, my husband used to do, like this, he used to tell her how many fingers on my back, and just like going there and there, not a special effort. You're sitting, spending time with the kids in the evening, and then you can always ask her, okay, can you read this on my visiting card or something? Or let me see if you can catch me. She used to catch me like with blindfolded eyes. She used to chase me. When she could, and she could even do cycling with blindfolded eyes. So we have always created that fun element in every activity. It is very important because they are kids. I have a younger kid, Riya. She's also in this school. So whenever I scold her for doing, she's very naughty kid. So she tells me, see, are you naughty? You are not naughty. Because you have grown out of that age, you cannot be naughty. So I am naughty because I am my age. So, that age they have to enjoy, and we have to create that fun element in every activity. Only then they are going to learn. This is kind of, I think, my opinion, personal opinion.
That's totally true, but actually he was at a very early stage of just recognizing colors and
okay.
So I got stuck over there.
Right. So I would recommend you is that they can do refreshers and with like-minded kids. So if you notice, whenever they are in school, they love to study. Whenever they are at home, they are sitting alone, they will always say, no, I don't want to study. Because, it is same with us also. We also like to create satsang because we have like-minded people around. So if you, can arrange few friends and then they can grow in a group, so then he will develop that spirit, and I think then the things can go on. You should never give up as a mother.
No, my query was not this actually. My query was, because it was not there in some else things.
So yeah, probably the technique can be different.
No. But other kids there, they have developed a very good sense. The thing is that when once I watch him in court over there, they said once midway is activated, it doesn't ever go back. That power always exists.
Yes, you are right.
To know if that actually happens or not. Because it just happens.
You need refreshment.
So that's why I think that we can stretch to 30 hours also, 25 hours. Because when we feel that your kid has reached a certain
Thank you so much. Then,
so definitely, that is our responsibility as a trainer's responsibility to conclude it properly. Rest, मैं मैम से भी कल बोल चुका हूँ, आप सबसे भी मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है that we are not magicians, we can only make them responsible, and we try to inculcate that responsibility in them. That bonding we have created, वो हम लोग बच्चों के साथ bonding create करते हैं. Any other queries?